Hello, YouTubers. Yeah, it's not often you see me standing by a bike. Hey, you know what? I had the first ride on this last week. First time in, what, 4 years?
Yeah, 4 years.
Huh. I was rusty.
One ride.
It took about 500 feet for me to get used to it again. Yeah, one ride because we've been busy. Anyway, some news. We had a request a couple of times now to build a single step for the 60 series tractor, the L60 series. And we never did bother, but the last few weeks we've had probably 4 or 5 come in. So anyway, we decided we're going to develop one, and we did. And so now we're going to be offering the single step. Why the single step and not the double? Because some people were kind of worried about the double step being a bit low for where they're working their tractors. They said they love the step, but it's just a bit too low for where they're working. They're working in stumpy areas and rocky areas and whatnot. So we designed and developed a single step. And what makes it better than the OEM is the fact that it's 3 times the weight. It looks super cool. Plus, you can pretty well put your 2 feet. It's wide enough where you can put your 2 feet on the step itself. And it's much like the double step, except, well, it's half a double step. and of course, a lot less risk of hitting it. The width of the Kubota step is only about that wide, and it's very slippery. And you only have a very small area where you can tread on. Whereas with our step now, it's, I think, 4 inches deep, and it's, well, 10 or 11 inches wide. So it should be a lot better step than, of course, what's there now. What else? Oh, yes, the new 70 series is out. Not everybody got one yet, but we're soon going to have one here at the shop. So we're going to be starting development on some things for that. We got some pretty cool ideas for that one. Don't we, Kathy?
Sure do.
Don't go falling asleep behind there.
I'm here.
Yeah. So anyway, so that should be here a week, maybe 2, you know.
Give or take.
Yeah, give or takes. And that's compliments of Newfoundland Kubota, or NL Kubota, which is what I'm wearing.
What you're wearing on your hat.
Yeah, I advertise for them more than they advertise for us. So anyway, so that's about it. What else is in new? Oh yes, Father's Day is coming up. So happy Father's Day to everybody. And you know, to the fathers out there that's hard to shop for, hey, just tell your better half the new 70 series is out. Hey, try it. You know, what's the worst? You'll either get a frying pan in the side of the head, or you'll get a 70 series tractor. I guess I'm getting a frying pan.
I would say I lean toward the frying pan. I'm leaning toward the frying pan.
All week when we'd see a piece of equipment on the road, I'd say, hey, don't forget Father's Day is coming. Yeah.
I said, well, glad that's in the rearview mirror.
Yeah. Even with the heat on, it was cold in the truck. Yeah, so anyway, our step will be up on the website. When will it be up on the website?
Right away.
Right away. So by the time this video is uploaded, and the link will be in the video's description. And you just open up the description and you'll see the link. Or you can just Google Specialty Repairs Custom Mods and have a look around. And you will see the steps. Now, probably, I don't know how Kathy's going to do the website, but she's probably going to have a picture of the both steps there. So just in case there's 60 series owners out there, they'll be able to see on one page what the double step looks like and what the single step looks like. So, and anyway, it's just it was just a need that people wanted, something people wanted. It was a need. And of course, you know, our job is to try to make a living while keeping people safe. We don't want you coming off steps. We don't want you falling down. We don't want you breaking legs, hips, necks, or backs.
No.
And especially if you're down in the States, because I understand it's expensive down there. I saw a video the other day where somebody spent $3,800 to get 5 stitches in his finger.
Oh.
And then that didn't include getting the stitches removed. So, you know,
Be safe.
so the step is a pretty good value, in my opinion.
Yes, mine too.
Eh? Anyway, it's raining out there. The cat is not happy. The cat, we have this orphan cat. The owner had passed away, so we kind of took this cat. It lived all its life out by the door, and it will not come in a building. It will not come in a building. We were 2 years trying to get it to go in a plastic shipping container, and we finally got him in there. So we got a blanket put in, an electric blanket, and of course now it thinks it's the Taj Mahal, and that's the only place it will go in. But it's out there now by the door. It looks like a drowned rat. I asked it to come in the shop, and it just gave me a dirty look, to be honest with you. Yeah, as if to say, this ain't happening.
Yeah, that's right.
Right? So she rather suffer it out. So that's what's new on our end. We got a barbecue because apparently we bought this big griddle. What's Blackstone? Blackstone. And of course, since we put it on the patio, it's either snowed or rained.
Exactly.
And if it's none of the above, well, you can't see it for fog.
Right.
So
We had our first company barbecue.
we had our first company barbecue in 30 years right there the other day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
And we got our paint trays and so forth ready to paint, but it's been raining.
can't get at it. It's just Newfoundland's a great place to live if you don't want to go out by the door.
Could always be worse.
Well, it's true. No, it is a great place.
Complaining.
No, it is a great place to live. It's just that this has been a very cold spring.
Yeah, so far.
So I've mowed the grass twice. So I mean, it's coming along. Anyway, folks, so the website will be in the description, and we appreciate you having a chance to have a look, and we appreciate you looking at the video. If you can, please subscribe, and hopefully we'll do another video shortly.
Yeah, you never know.
Gonna be there's gonna be some bike ones because now it's on the road. It's licensed. It's insured. I flushed all the brakes and everything. Everything is done, and it's like brand new. So anyway, so there'll be some. I know the Kubota people hate the bike videos, but it is what it is. I can't do just Kubotas all the time.
Like videos hate the Kubota, so.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. When we started doing Kubota videos, all our and we have more subscribers when it comes to motorcycles than we do tractors. And people would say, "How come you're not doing bike videos anymore? We're doing tractors. Well, that's no good to us. We don't own a tractor." So and vice versa. So
Yeah, it depends on what they
yeah, we can't really stick to one thing because we have a very low interest in, you know, that kind of thing. So anyway, we'll see you in the next video, guys. Again, happy Father's Day to all the dads that's out there, and we'll see you in the next video. So if you need any more information with regards to our products, Kathy's always on the other end of the phone. We're pretty well open 7 days a week anyway.
Exactly.
You know, because when I hear the phone ring, I say, "Hey, get the phone, will you? Get the phone."
That's for you.
Yeah, it's for you. Nobody calls me. Anyway, folks, you guys take care, and God bless. I should see if this thing is going to start. Gotta love that 6, eh? That 6-cylinder. Horn works. And there you have it. If it wasn't raining, I'd be going for a ride.
Exactly.
Look, the gate opens straight from here, look.
Oh my goodness, this is
Take the remote.
amazing. Yeah, ride safe.